This right here is the calendar view for students. This is under Test Student. And you can see that I have selected over here the Test Student's personal calendar and also the 8th grade social studies assignments. And then there's a calendar feed here that you as a parent, if you want to, I would suggest maybe not, maybe letting the kids do this to their phone. But if you would like, you can copy and paste this into your personal or maybe your family calendar. On this one, you can see here all of the social studies assignments that are already established for the month of September. So for my class so far, students have gotten a letter signed, and they have seen a video on primary and secondary sources. They've analyzed a secondary source. They have looked at historic lenses. Each one of these things has a special icon. So I'm going to zoom in here. So this icon right here with what looks like paper and pencil is going to mean it's an assignment that's probably in Google Drive, Google Cloud, or maybe something that they, even for another teacher, might take a picture and upload an image. That really just signifies there's something you have to do to turn it in. This right here, the plane, the rocket ship, whatever it's supposed to be, that indicates a quiz, like it's made in the quiz settings. So your students will actually not even go off of this Canvas site. They will take the quiz on Canvas itself. Now, and then these are again like that on News ELA. There was also an assignment that we did, if I go back to August, I believe, that you can see, we did a discussion board. And so right here on the 25th, you can see this icon that looks like 2 speech bubbles. That lets you know that you are supposed to respond in the tab for discussions. Okay. And here is something to watch, a video. I think it's just a piece of paper because it's a resource. There's nothing to check off or do with it, but the students in class had to watch that before they began completing and learning about the secondary source analysis image of George Washington. Anytime the teacher posts a due date, it's going to go onto the calendar feed. So over here, you should also see ELA, you should see science, math, you should see B time, you should see homeroom, and you should see your encore classes. You're going to want to check all these boxes. You see, when you check it, that's when that stuff shows up. And it'll be color coded, and it can definitely be of assistance for you to keep up with your stuff. Okay.